Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Sunday was clear and calm over the eastern parts of the country with warm weather that developed in the Lowveld as well as across the coastline, while over much of the Cape provinces there was a fair amount of cirrus cloud that was moving overhead. This was taking place ahead of the approaching cold front and we can clearly see it on the satellite imagery. That front will be making landfall overnight, bringing in some wet weather to the Western Cape. And that rain will be around early in the day on Monday down in the southwestern parts, including around Cape Town. And as the front moves through, those conditions will be spreading further into the interior as well as along the southern coastline, reaching the Eastern Cape by evening. The rest of South Africa is going to be sunny and dry once again, and it's even going to be a couple of degrees warmer up in the northern parts for Limpopo. A quick look at the warning that has been issued, and only one warning for Monday. That's for a high fire danger for the interior of the Eastern Cape. It is going to be a dry and windy afternoon for the region, and runaway fires could develop. Not much wind for KwaZulu-Natal on the other hand, and it's going to be a warm day for most areas. 27 degrees for Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg in the afternoon. Mostly sunny for the Eastern Cape, but cloud cover will start moving in over the western parts of the province as the cold front starts to reach the area, and by evening a bit of rainfall will be possible around Port Elizabeth. For the Western Cape, on the other hand, it's going to be a cloudy, cold and wet day for most areas. Showers possible all across the province, and that will be mainly taking place in the morning for the peninsula, but in the afternoon you could still have the odd shower or two moving through. Maximum temperatures in the mid to lower teens for most places. A bit of rainfall along the west coast, but for Springbok it will be dry although cooler, and it's going to be another sunny and mild day for most of the Northern Cape, and very similar conditions have been forecast for the Free State. Bloemfontein, you'll start off at 1 but will get to a high of 20 in the afternoon. It will also be sunny and mild for the northwest, very little change over the province. 23 as a maximum for Vryburg, Zeerust and Rustenburg. And in Limpopo, as mentioned, it will be slightly warmer on Monday afternoon. Musina gets to 27, 28 for Phalaborwa, while Polokwane gets to a high of 23. And in Mpumalanga, it's going to be a cold start to the day on the Highveld. Both Standerton and eMakhazeni both starting off at -1 once again. And finally into Gauteng, where very little will change as well over this region. Soweto, 4 and 20 your temperatures, while Pretoria will get to a high of 23. Winds are going to be strong for some areas over the Eastern Cape on Monday afternoon, including Port Elizabeth, a southwesterly wind at 55 kilometers per hour. On Tuesday, cooler and wet weather settles into KwaZulu-Natal, Durban and Richards Bay, both with a high of 20 degrees. And by Wednesday, it will be dry all across South Africa, and temperatures will be slowly recovering over the western parts. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.